Hello, hello, my loves. It is your girl, Gabrielle Reyes, and this is lesson 10 of Jumpstarting Your Vegan Journey. Today, we are chatting all about eating out as a vegan. People always tell me, oh my gosh, I could totally go vegan, but what do I do whenever I'm out of the house, whenever I have to go to a restaurant, go to an event, go on a cruise? Well, I have some tips and tricks for you to make sure that you can thrive and survive as a vegan while dining out. My basic go-to rule is always go somewhere that serves rice and beans. Typically, this is somewhere that serves Latin food. So a Mexican restaurant, Puerto Rican food, Jamaican food, Caribbean food of any kind, typically is gonna have a pretty solid vegan or vegetarian option for you. Also, one of my favorite places to go whenever I'm eating out, no matter where in the world, Mediterranean food. They always got a cute little chickpea situation, some hummus, potato, a little pickle on the side, and it always leaves me so satiated and honestly craving a little bit more. The beautiful thing about eating at a restaurant as a vegan is honestly, you get to let the chefs be a little bit more creative. So what you can do is you can order from the sides, you see some potatoes, maybe they have a little rice, a little bean, a little taco situation. I personally always like to order whatever veggie option they have, but then just skip out on the cheese, or if they have egg on it, you can tell them to leave that off. Ooh, another tip is research the restaurant before you go to it. So some vegans like to laugh and say that they eat before they go to the restaurant. Personally, for me, I love to be involved in whatever the celebration is. So I always make sure there gotta be some potato situation, some mushroom situation on this menu. And if not, I'll bring some snacks. Also, if you go online and you type in vegan options, see if that restaurant has good reviews. Typically, people are gonna be honest when it comes to vegan, gluten-free, or any kind of allergy-sensitive food. A lot of restaurants these days actually offer vegetarian or vegan options. So sometimes they'll denotate it in the menu, or even online, they'll have a special menu. And what I like to always do is ask the waiter, ask the chef. Sometimes they are so helpful and they're able to guide you through their menu and find exactly what you can eat that's plant-based. Now, let's say you're traveling, you're eating vegan, you're on this journey, but you get invited somewhere that you know for sure isn't gonna have vegan food. Well, don't be afraid to bring your own recipe. Spice it up, season it up, and live in that culture. Celebrate that culture, celebrate the abundance through a plant-based recipe. And the great part about traveling across the world, every culture has some kind of plant-based or vegan ingredient. This can be beans, soy, seaweed, rice. There's some way that they love to season it up. So go crazy, have fun, and honor that tradition. Now, let's say you're dining with a group of people. Some are vegan, some are not vegan. Well, you know what I have to say to that? Go to the vegan restaurant. Do not be ashamed that you enjoy plant-based food. Enjoy yourself, treat your body and your soul, and maybe, just maybe, you can introduce them into something that is delicious, nutritious, colorful, and of course, unique. And if you're on the go, traveling, you need something quick, even something from a convenience store, well, the easiest thing to get is always raw nuts. Personally, I go for almonds or cashews, or even seeds like sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds. And also, I love to see if these convenience stores have my favorite vegan snacks. I love Hippies, Spudsies, and I also know that Simple Mills makes some very delicious gluten-free and vegan snacks too. And if you're not sure what's inside of those snacks, make sure to turn the label around and check it out, just like I said in lesson 4. Don't be afraid whenever you are eating out as a vegan. Dining can be fun. Find some place that has vegan options, maybe even has some options for your other friends and family. There are so many abundant options for you, and there is an easy way that you can mix and match and magically mingle the ingredients together to create something that is satisfying and delicious, and also worth your money, because let's not play games. You're going there, you paying for the food, you want it to be good, okay? Now, I wanna know, what kind of tips do you have whenever you're eating out as a vegan? Do you have any special tips, tricks, hacks that make it easier for you to eat and be abundant? Well, let me know, y'all. At the end of the day, do not be ashamed to eat plant-based whenever you are eating out, dining out, and especially when you are with your friends and family. There is an abundance of options for you, and don't be ashamed of researching it. Do a little bit of digging on the internet to find out exactly how you can eat abundant and eat a wholesome meal while you're eating out. Now, y'all, if you enjoyed this experience and you want to learn more, be sure to go to my website, onegreatvegan.com. We have so many amazing resources for you, a cookbook, a course, and some free recipes as well for you, my love. I will see you all in the next lesson. Y'all have a blessed day.